Fritzy. Careful, baby. Yeah, that's better. That's better. We can see your beautifulness now. Hi guys. Oh, where's Chili Pepper going? Let's see if we can see Gracie. Yes, there she is. Gracie! She's walking a lot better now. Still sore though, Gracie, isn't it? Is it still very sore? Don't worry. Come on. Let's sit down here. Let's sit down, Gracie. You're very friendly, aren't you? And Gracie had a... Come on, Baba, can you jump? Can you jump, Gracie? Gracie had a broken pelvis. She was run over by a cart. I'm sure all regular viewers know. And she's had surgery. Oh, careful, 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 careful. And she's had probably about 3 months of cage rest. She was a completely feral cat. I don't know what you can see there. I can't see anything. But now, as you can see, she's going to make someone a lovely pet, aren't you? She's still a little bit crazy. With a dog, for example, if the dog's in her way, she doesn't go out of her way to get the dog, but if the dog comes near her, she flips. She does that cat thing, you know, 16 punches landed in 1 second. That's what she does to the doggy. But you don't mean it, do you, baby? And also, if she gets a twinge of pain, and I'm anywhere near her, she'll beat me up, because she assumes that it's me that's causing the pain, even when it's not. Because I'd never cause you any pain, baby. No, I'd never cause you any pain. She's beautiful. I'm sure she's all out of focus because we're far too close. But that's how it goes around these parts. Chili, I'm over here. He's on the hunt for lunch. Amber doing a regular thing, drinking water. I don't know how many gallons of water she drinks every day, but it's a lot. Are you getting me, Gracie? 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 I'm not mad, I'm just trying to reinforce her name. If she keeps hearing it, she'll learn it. I think she knows already. Do you, Gracie? What's wrong with your nose? You got a dirty nose? Stanley. An extra bonus. He's virtually wild, he always has been. Don't know exactly where he lives, where he hangs out, but it's on the land somewhere. There he goes, he knows where he's going anyway. He might even go back into his enclosure, the door's still open for him, so... Ah, Grace, Grace, Grace. Watch, your paw was stuck, baby. Your paw was stuck on me. Yeah, so I think sometimes in the day he goes back into his enclosure. He likes it. He really likes it. He's got a little tower in there that's got 3 floors, and he hides in there. He likes it. So I'm not doing much today. I've caused enough chaos in the last few days. I'm breaking things instead of fixing them, making them worse. I don't know how I'm going to explain it to... never mind, we won't go into that now. We won't go into that now, Gracie, will we? You beauty. You're a beauty, aren't you? Gail rescued you. Gail saved you. You couldn't move, could you? You were lying on the road. You were going to die. But no, Gail saved you. And what a good job she did. You've got to stay away from roads, okay? Oh, the little kittens, they don't come out in the daytime, but they will come out at night. I see them if I'm messing around with the generator or something. They're always running around at night. But they're still a little bit afraid, the kittens. We got Figgy, we got Mr. Gray, we got Fritzy. I don't know who the other one is, I can't remember. But there's 4 kittens. One of whom adores Ube. Ube is just a docile cat. He doesn't really do much, and one of the little kittens, I think it's Mr. Gray, has decided he wants to be just like that. And he hangs around with Ube. This is cupboard love, by the way. This is lunchtime love. You know you get food, don't you? Well, I think you should wait for Tina coming back. Because Tina's the chef today. I don't know exactly how many cats we've got now. There's still quite a few. There's the gang who live in my bedroom. There's about, I don't know, 14 of them, I think, for the regulars. The kittens have found their way there too now. And they come. These wasp things like the remaining cat food, the leftovers. I don't like the look of them, they're a little bit big for me. With their orange and black jumpers. I don't know what to do now, Gracie. I don't know what to do now. I think we should just hang around with Amber. Amber! You really do want some food, Grace, don't you? Don't you, Gracie? Don't you, Gracie? Oh, so that's Gracie, guys. I'm being very boring today. I'll see you later. Take care. Bye.